Now, construction second. To construct perpendicular bisector of a given line segment, first we write here given a line segment AB is given. A line segment AB is given. To construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment AB. Then we draw here, first we draw line segment taking A and B more than here line segment AB. Taking A and B as center and radius more than half AB. Same in angle with angle ABC, angle of bisector of angle ABC. We draw here. More than half of both sides. Here are which intersect at this arc intersect at P and Q. Join PQ. Join PQ which intersect AB at A. Then line PMQ is a bisector of line segment AB, perpendicular bisector of AB. Again, AB line segment is given. Taking A and B as center and radius more than half of AB. Half AB, draw an arc intersect each other at P and Q. Draw PQ. PQ intersect AB at M, then line PMQ is a perpendicular bisector of line sigma at AB. We write here its steps of construction. Steps of construction. Taking A and B as centers and and radius more than half AB, draw an arc on both sides of line segment AB. How to draw? Then they intersect each other. Draw an arc with AB. Let this arc intersect each other at P and Q. At P and Q, join PQ. PQ intersect AB at point M. Then line PMO is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Again, example, construction 11.2. To construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment, given part, a line segment AB is given. To construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment AB. Then we first draw line segment AB, taking A and B as center and radius more than half of AB and draw an arc both sides. Draw an arcs on both sides of line segment AB. These arcs intersect each other at P and Q. These arcs intersect each other at P and Q. join PQ. PQ intersect arc AB at the point M, then line PMO is perpendicular bisector of AB. Exercise 11.1, question number 1. To construct an angle of 90 degree at initial point of a given ray. First we write here given part. A ray OA. We draw here given. To construct an angle of 90 degree at O. An angle of 90 degree at the initial point. Initial point is O, ray OA. We draw here construction. Ray OA. Taking OS center and any radius, draw an arc of a circle. We draw an angle here. Draw an arc of a circle which intersect OA at B. OA at B. Taking B as center and with the same radius. Taking B as center and with same radius. This radius. Taking B as center and with same radius. As before, draw an arc intersecting the previous circle, drawn arc at point C. At point C. This angle is, suppose I draw here, it is not necessary to draw 90 angle, but I show here this angle COB is 60 degree. Suppose you have drawn first dragon taking OS center, any radius, draw a circle and intersect this point and don't change your measure. Same measure, an arc, and this angle is 60 degree. Taking C as center and with the same radius as before, we draw an arc. Intersect it in step 1 it is intersect at D. Draw ray here. Join OD. This angle is 60. Then 60, 60 plus 120. Now taking C and D as center. C more than CD, half CD. C and D as center. Intersect arc at G, C, D, E. We draw here G. Draw OG. Draw OG. This ray OG is the bisector of angle this angle. Therefore, it is half of this 60, half 30, 120, half 60, then 90. Angle GOA is a 90 degree. First we take here ray BA, OB, OA. Draw any arc on which intersect at B, taking B as center and draw arc which intersect at C. C as center and C, this angle is 60. Also suppose you have to draw, you asking in question to draw 120 angle, then take same measure. This first we draw arc, then say 60 and 60, 120. Now, bisector of these 60 and 120 is equals to 150 divided by 2. 60 and 120 is equals to 180 divided by 2. Then bisector of this angle is equals to 90 degree. Now, we write here step of construction. Steps of construction. First we taking O is center. Taking O as center and some radius. Draw an arc of a circle which intersects OA at point B. At point B. Then taking B as center, taking B as center and with the same radius and with same radius as before, draw an arc as before, draw an arc intersecting previously drawn arc at C. Previously drawn an arc at C. The next step, C. C is as center. Taking C as center, and with the same radius, as before, draw an arc intersecting at the arc drawn at D. At D. Taking C and D as centers and with the radius more than half of CD. Draw an arcs to intersect. Draw arcs to intersect each other at G. Draw or join ray OG. Then angle GOA is equals to 90 degree. GOA is equals to 90 degree. First we draw ray OA as a center, any radius, it intersect at B as a center, and then same radius intersect at previous arc at C as center and same radius, then intersect previous arc at D. Then C and D as center and with radius half of CD. Draw an arc to intersect each other at G. Ray OG. Angle GOA is equals to 90, or it is a right angle.